Ever wondered what an executive order actually is, or what happens when one crosses legal or constitutional lines? Since George Washington, executive orders have existed to enforce or clarify existing laws. Rooted in the US Constitution, where Article 1 empowers Congress to create laws, Article 2 charges the president with faithfully executing them, and Article 3 entrusts the judiciary with reviewing their constitutionality. Executive orders exist within a carefully balanced framework of governmental authority. Most executive orders derive their force from either existing statutes or the president's constitutional powers, such as issuing pardons, directing the military, or making recess appointments. When an executive order overreaches by imposing new penalties or obligations not grounded in a law passed by Congress or the president's constitutional powers, it violates the constitutional separation of powers and is unlawful. Recently, President Trump's use of executive orders has sparked intense debate and legal challenges, with critics arguing that some orders overstep constitutional bounds by effectively creating new laws and in some cases violating constitutional rights. When an executive order exceeds the president's authority or violates constitutional rights, such as First Amendment freedoms or equal protection guarantees, a person or entity injured by that order can sue in federal court to stop enforcement of the order. While executive orders are a critical tool for policy implementation, they must derive their legitimacy from existing laws and constitutional authority, ensuring that the balance of power among the branches of government remains intact. Ultimately, the legitimacy of an executive order depends on its adherence to established legal and constitutional limits, ensuring that the separation of power is maintained and that no branch oversteps its designated role. In short, limits matter.